Okay, here we are. Going through the time warp and the wormhole and all that jazz. We got the motor on. So it was pretty easy. What I ended up doing was I moved the head back over a little bit. Then I realized that I could slide the ram forward. So I undid the two bolts and I moved the ram, I don't know, about 8 inches from where it was. And that was just enough to align with the pulley. And I could have moved the head over a little bit more. I mean, it would have been ideal to lift the motor up and then slide the head over and then drop the motor down. But I had one person over here lifting, holding the hoist, and I was up on the lift cart and I was stabilizing the motor to keep it from rotating too much. And so I ended up, it pretty much bottomed out pulley to pulley. So I kicked the motor over just a little bit and I slid it into the hole, and then the one side went in, the one bolt went in, and then we loosened it up and I let it come over to the other bolt, and then we just let it slide down. And yeah, it was easy. A lot easier than when we were taking it apart. But yeah, that worked out good, that pulley. And we were able to lift that 65 pounds with a little bit of ease. So it just got to hook up the electrical connections, but I'm not going to do that today. It's too late in the day and it's getting hot, and I'll save that for tomorrow. Save it for a fresh day. Don't want to be hooking that up wrong. Even though I did color code it, I took pictures, color coded it, so it should go back fairly easy. But everything worked out good, and hoping when I do powered up, it runs good. That's all we can hope for. All right. I'll talk to you later. Yeah, so here we are at the conclusion of this project. The mill's all back together. I got the hook up there. I'm going to leave it up there so I can use it to take the vise in and out. And yeah, I got it all wired up, and one of the wire nuts that was in there, I was loosening it up to give more room for the little clip to go in, and I ended up dropping it. So I had to spend about a half hour looking for that. I found it, so I put it back up there, and I took pictures of it before I took it apart, just like the three-phase converter. I took pictures of it inside this cover, and I marked it here too. Yeah, it's always good to take pictures of everything. The only thing is, I still got that piece of tape up there. I got to get that off. But I swung the head back and pushed the ram back a little bit. So it's ready to go. Of course, I really won't know till I take a cut with something, but I was going to put the drawbar in because I had the drawbar out. And the drawbar been acting a little funny on me. I mean, sometimes it acted like it didn't want to thread. And I pulled it out and I chucked the thread on it. and the thread is good. But then I noticed I had it here on the table and I was just rolling it, and I noticed it was bent. So I take a closer look at it, and I can see here where it shows wear marks, and on this side there are no wear marks, and this side it does. And the same thing here. You see on the shaft here it shows wear marks, but then when you flip it over it doesn't. See right there, it's all on this one side. So I thought, well, I never saw a bent drawbar before, and it's rubbing here too, and it's not rubbing here, but it's rubbing here. So anyway, I figured out which side was low, which side was high, and I got this little press. Yeah, I got this little press. It was at one of these thrift stores. The wife saw it over there, and I don't remember what it was. It was like $25 or something like that. And, I mean, it's old. It's rusted at the bottom. Been sitting in somebody's house for a long time, and I figure, well, for like 25 bucks, yeah. So we got it, and I never really used it, but I used it today. Put these two blocks on there, and I put the shaft in there, and this thing actually still works. So I pumped it up and kind of gave it a little bend, and I checked it, and I had to do that, you know, several times, and got it fairly straight. Yeah, so I'm gonna, hopefully it'll be a lot better than what it was before. I mean, it looks a lot better. I mean, when I first did this, it was off by quite a bit. I mean, it was really obvious. But I'm going to put that back in, and there's supposed to be an O-ring on here. I think I'll measure that. I really don't want to put one on there, because if the outside is too big, it's not going to let this thing clamp down right. It'll basically just squish the O-ring, and so I think I'll just leave it alone, because I really don't know what size goes in there. But anyway, yeah, I guess we're back in business here. All right. Talk to you later.